Vies amazing chefs, how are you doing? Welcome back to Vies Cookworks. Today I will be cooking for you shrimp in a salted egg. Okay, let's now begin. Okay, and wait, here's the ingredients guys. 30 grams of butter. We'll be using also 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of ground pepper. There you go. Here, an oil, 1 tablespoon, 2 medium eggs, white eggs guys, 4 salted eggs, 2 cloves of garlic, white onion, red onion, and of course this 500 grams of shrimp. Okay. Okay guys, we will now flatten the salted egg. Okay, I have here guys the egg whites, and then we will mix the cornstarch. We will put the shrimp inside of this slurry. And then we will coat the shrimp. And then we will coat the shrimp. Let's add the ground pepper. And then we will slightly fry the shrimp. Okay, let us now set aside. The same pan, oil, and of course the butter. Now add in the butter and the garlic. Salita ko eh.
Oo nga, bilisan mo lang po. Ikaw na lang.
Let's now add the onion. Stir for a while. Then let's add the shrimp. After at least 3 minutes, let's now add in the salted egg. And then we will now add in the egg yolk. To balance the flavor, we may add in half tablespoon of sugar. Then add in the white onion. Then let's add in the secret. This is evaporated milk. I added guys 1/4 cup of evaporated milk. Now guys, here's our salted egg shrimp. Let's now top it with spring onions. Oh, this is yummy guys. I hope you like this video. For those who don't subscribe yet, please subscribe to my channel, Vies Cookworks. Until next time, bye-bye! This recipe is requested by ENR TV. Thank you for requesting. Keep on watching.